Hello, good morning to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. Greetings from Budapest, from the bank of the Danube, not far from the National Theatre, from the headquarters of KBC Global Services Hungary. Well, at the moment I'm looking for a backup admin who is a system engineer specialized in different backup solutions. And as a backup admin, what you will have to do is the daily operations of data backup systems in Cohesity environment. You will also have to configure, monitor and maintain backup devices, including physical tape libraries, deduplication backup target appliances, data domains, media servers and Cohesity servers as well. You will have to assist in the implementation of this Cohesity environment, and you also support the migration of the Cohesity environment. You manage the complete life cycle of backup and recovery infrastructure, and data protection is also an important part of the job. You will have to prevent incidents during the operations, and you will have to cooperate with clients and IT suppliers. Keeping the documentation of system operation up to date is also part of this job, and you will also have to provide support for reporting obligations. And what we expect from you is 3 years of experience with operating data backup systems. You should have hands-on experience with Cohesity. Cohesity is a must. PowerShell or Python scripting experience is also necessary. You need to have skills to develop infrastructure as code solutions. You will also have to automate different processes and improve daily operations. NetBackup knowledge is a plus, this is a great advantage, but you also need to have knowledge of backup devices, for example physical tape libraries, data domain, software-defined environment and so on and so on. Experience with server application backups on Unix and Windows and on databases is also needed, is also a must, and you should also have some storage area network basics. Knowledge of ITIL and safe working is necessary. Advanced IT or technical education is what we require. You should also have experience in a complex international environment with systems and organizations. You should be able to do on-call duty because there are occasional evening and weekend works and you are required to join the on-call duty. You should be a quick learner, a good team player. You should have good problem-solving skills and analytical skills as well. And of course, we require fluent English because you will have to work in an international environment. So, if you fulfill the requirements and if you are interested in the job, then please apply. Thank you very much for your attention and goodbye.